Y'all, I'm at Disneyland's Galaxy's Edge and I'm about to try the blue milk. This is what it looks like. Cheers. It tastes like effervescent blueberry oat milk, but slimier. It reminds me of something, if you know what I mean. It's okay. I'm also going to be trying the viral cold brew with cream cheese cold foam on top. This is what it looks like. Cheese. It tastes like nothing. Let me try the top. It's good if you mix it in, but if you taste it separately, it tastes like nothing. My friend also got this chocolate covered mousse thing, so we're also gonna try that. That's stunning. Y'all have to try that. That's so fucking good.